Hi, I'm Lily Allen and I'm here in the Amazon rainforest finding out about the huge issue of deforestation and to learn how projects like Sky Rainforest Rescue are trying to help tackle the issue.
The following overfly, we're leaving from Rio Branco, here exactly where we are. Here is where the project, the Sky Rainforest Rescue project, is working, in this area where the road is currently being paved.
In contrast to what we saw flying over Acre State this morning, we've just been along the river with the environmental police and we didn't see much deforestation, so I'm assuming that where the police have a presence, the deforesting problem doesn't really happen. So that was the Natex condom factory, which is a really good example of how people here in Acre are developing their own products with rubber from the trees, which is great because it means that they're not cutting down trees for cattle grazing and instead they're doing something sustainable. So we want to encourage more of this kind of behaviour, less of the cows. Met some people from the Cachoeira community village, and yeah, it was really sweet. Well, not sweet, but really nice to talk to them all and see that they're really, supportive of trying to create a way of life that isn't destroying the rainforests and that is sustainable. So I feel really enlightened and happy that we've got to have those conversations with people, and we can see that there is a want to make a change and make a difference here. It's great.